In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log time using time tracking in Zoho Books. We'll walk through this from the perspective of someone already signed into Zoho Books, so make sure you're logged into your account before you begin. Once you're on your Zoho Books dashboard, the first thing you'll do is head over to the timesheet area. Look for the section or tab labeled Timesheet in the main navigation menu. This is where all of your time entries and time tracking features are organized, so it's the starting point for logging your hours. After opening the timesheet section, locate and click on Time Tracking. This helps narrow down the view so you're specifically working with entries related to tracking the time you or your team spend on tasks, projects, or clients. Think of this as your control center for time logs. Within the time tracking view, you'll see an option again labeled Timesheet. Click on this to display the list of time entries and the tools available to create new ones. This page typically shows your existing entries, including dates, tasks, and durations, so it's a good place to review what's already been logged before you add anything new. Now, to add a fresh time entry, look for the button or link that says Log Time. Go ahead and click on Log Time. This opens the form where you'll enter the details of the work you've done. If you don't see it right away, check the top right area of the page or near the list of entries, as that's where it commonly appears. Once the log time form is open, carefully fill in all the details. Choose the correct project or customer, select the task you worked on and specify the date. Then enter the number of hours and minutes you spent. You may also have a notes or description field. This is very useful for adding a short summary of what you accomplished during that time, which helps with reporting and invoicing later. Before you finish, review everything to make sure the date, project, task, and duration are accurate. When you're happy with the information, click on Save. Your new time entry is now recorded in Zoho Books and will appear